Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope your first day of the week is off to an amazing start. Welcome to my last Christmas Decorate With Me video for the year. Today I will be showing you how I have decorated our credenza in the theme Winter Wonderland, as well as some DIY Christmas ideas and a super budget-friendly inspirations. In today's video, I'm ecstatically happy to be collaborating with my wonderful friends from Rose Forever. I have collaborated with Rose Forever from before and love working with them as their beautiful long-lasting roses are amazing. For today's video, I will be showing you their gorgeous, dreamy, and whimsical 36 Intense white roses in the marble white Rose Forever box. I have chose these roses as they are the perfect fit with any of my decorations. I love the simplicity and beauty of this piece. It's so clean and fresh, and for me, the perfect touch of glam. For my past collaboration with Rose Forever, they have sent me the 36 lilac roses in the pink suede box 4 months ago, and to this day, they still look and smell beautiful as the day I received it. Rose Forever New York designs luxurious rose boxes with natural roses that will last for a year or more, as though they were just freshly picked. They use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are each handcrafted by professional flower artisans. There is an enormous choices of rose colors to choose from, like this intense white color, or violet, royal blue, and pink, and so much more, as well as the box shapes and materials. They are the perfect Christmas gift for anyone, or if you just want to treat your beautiful self. It also makes a stunning centerpiece for your Christmas and or your New Year's tablescape. The perfect time to order is now, as they are currently having their Christmas sale, and Rose Forever has also provided any of you, my Glam family, with a $25 discount. And as always, I will provide Rose Forever's info on the description box below in case if you are interested. Christmas truly is the most wonderful time of the year. This is the time of gatherings and sharing fun, sweet memories with our loved ones. May we all experience the love and joy of Christmas, not just as we celebrate with our loved ones, but because of the true reason of it all, which is the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Once again, thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it gives you inspirational ideas in decorating your credenza this Christmas. Please continue watching till the end to see how I've done it and for the final reveal. Thank you all so much for being here, and I hope you have enjoyed this Decorate My Credenza for Christmas with me. If you did, please kindly give this video your Christmas love by clicking that thumbs up button and share with your friends and family. I'd sincerely very much appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet, I truly hope you consider doing so. From my family to yours, Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas to you all, and may God bless you all abundantly.